Hello everyone and welcome to Nakamura-Tome booth. Today I would like to introduce you to one of our new products, the SC-200 ⅱ The machine concept is next level machine. This is a one turret, one spindle machine. Let's have a look at it. First of all, we look at the control panel, and as you can see, it's not fixed, but it moves. So this is quite convenient for operators. They can do operations by seeing the screen and the inside as well. And the screen, the panel has been upgraded to 15-inch, and all the manuals are stored inside. In addition, we also have the anti-smart support, and we also have the Thermo Navigator AI. Okay, so let us have a look inside. As you can see, this machine uses all boxway 45 degrees bend for better chip flow and higher rigidity. Let's have a look at the chuck. So this machine is in the 8-inch class, but because it has a larger swing diameter of up to 700 millimeters, we can mount larger chucks, for example 10-inch chucks. So we upgraded this machine from the SC-200 and SC-250, and the design concept is the same as the SC-300 ⅱ Okay, so this machine also comes with option of tailstock. One advantage of this machine is that we can integrate it with a gantry loader, which was not possible with the SC-200 or the SC-250. So this gantry loader is a flexible one because you can change the hand type from flange to shaft in the field. How convenient is it? So we will do live exhibition of the cutting in this machine. So please visit us at our booth, at Jimtof booth, to see the actual machining. Thank you.